In this video, I will show you how you can fix the set as ringtone button not working on any iPhone. But if the use as ringtone button has stopped working or if it shows you an error, so in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now, this can happen if you use a song which is longer than 30 seconds or if you use a file format which is not compatible with your iPhone. Now, to fix this issue, just simply go to your home screen and open the App Store. Now from here, just search this. Now just install any audio editor which you like. For an example, I will install this app. And after that, just tap on open. Now just select Ask App Not to Track. Now you don't have to purchase the premium version of the app. Just tap on the X icon over here. Now from here, just select from where you want to import your audio. Now if you want to set an audio from a video as the ringtone of your iPhone, just select from video. Or if you want to set an audio file as the ringtone of your iPhone, just select from file. Now in the files app, just go to the section where you have saved your audio file. As you can see, this is the audio file. Now just tap on open. And after you import the file, just tap on edit audio. Now just select the audio file which you have imported. Then tap on OK. Now from here, just select the audio file. Now as you can see, the duration of the audio is 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Now just cut the audio and only leave 29 seconds of the audio. Just like that. As you can see, I have reduced the audio duration from 2 minutes down to 29 seconds. After you do that, then just tap on the arrow icon over here. Then tap on the refresh icon at the bottom right corner on the screen. Now just either select tandem or parallel. I will select tandem. And after that, just tap on the share icon over here. Under the file name, just give a name to your file. Then tap on OK. And under format, just select MP3. After you do that, then just tap on export. Now just tap on share. And from here, if you scroll down, you will find the option of use as ringtone. Just tap on use as ringtone. Now after you do that, you will be redirected to the ringtone section in settings. And as you can see, we have successfully set up custom music as the ringtone of our iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.